Hello everybody. I just got snacks, so let me eat it a little bit. So, get straight into it. Today, I went at GameStop. And I got yep, I got two. I got two, guys. Two. I got two of them. I got Phantom Freddy, and he has the arcade. I don't know, but it's arcade something. Has 35 pieces. And here's him right here. And I can collect more, like Toy Chica, Toy Bonnie, Phantom Freddy, and Nightmare Baby. That comes with a chair, actually, so I think he can fit. Now, I'm going to be unboxing this for a second, but yes, guys, I got something rare. It is which is pretty cool. It was only at GameStop, really. I was going to get the Nightmare Chica, but I just changed my mind. So I got Nightmare Chica. Does not come with this one you can build Nightmare in. Pretty cool. So we're going to be unboxing these in a second. But not right now. We're just going to do a review. So enough eating and more working. So what I'm saying is, the owner's here, Bonnie's here, Freddy's here, even Trico's here, and Puppet, and everybody, just everybody. So we're gonna be unboxing. First is now. Let's get this straight in 1 second. Now, as you can see, I got the figure out. Now, 1 second. Now, we have Phantom Freddy. He is pretty cool. Let's do it. Here's Phantom Freddy. Now, Phantom Freddy, he has this little thing right here. That's his endoskeleton. And he has a lot of dark and black. He has a lot of black and dark green and white eyes. And his mouth, like, he can probably open. 1 second. It did not open, but who cares? So let's just think about what we have. Now, here is quick look at this. Now, I will build this later. But let's get straight into Jackal Chica. Oh snap! The pieces fell out. Not fell, but. Also, yeah, as you can see, you can put, where is he? Right here, Phantom Freddy, back right here. That you have to worry about not putting it, but it works a little bit, but kind of. Well, let's get straight into, at least, yeah. 1 second. Now, as you can see, I got Jackal Chica out of the box. A lot of details on here, like claws. Wait, does it really glow? I thought it is. Kind of. And you see right here is the endoskeleton. You see, and you can turn his head, move it carefully. Okay. I'm just gonna move carefully because it's rare. And yeah. And also he can move his arms, but not now. So Kaido is all broken up, and her feet is like a little broken. And now let's go on to the pumpkin. Ba ba ba. What Jacko Chica comes with. Really doesn't have that much designs. It is a pumpkin, but it has white eyes. Just like Phantom Freddy over here. Phantom Freddy's more scarier than the pumpkins, but also they COVID. Sorry, my brother had to get his headphones. But yep, this guy is pretty scary. So what I have is that is it. Now say I'm just going to build it, but at least I'm not building it. I'm gonna build it not on video, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and bye.